Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So today I have another exciting video for you guys. Pearlle has actually sent me this package right here and I'm so excited to open it up and show you guys what's inside. So let's just get right into it. Oh, so it comes with stickers. Look at this. How adorable is that? I love good stickers. These are really cute. Sometimes when stickers are so cute, I don't even want to use them. I just kind of keep them. Oh, it comes with another set. So there's two. So they've wrapped the items in this black tissue paper and they have their own sticker. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I am so excited. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. So let's just count the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bras and 5 matching panties. I am so excited. I was on the hunt to look for new ones, so this is perfect. These colors are just amazing. Sorry, I'm just in shock. I love how beautiful they look. So I'm going to show you them individually. So you won't see me actually in them, but you'll get a review of how they feel. The first one here is this kind of, it's kind of a pinky red. It's just so beautiful. The lace is so nice and it's super lightweight. It seems very comfortable. There's minimal padding in that, which is nice. Sometimes there's too much padding and things. In the front there is this elastic crisscross detailing, which is super cute, and in the middle it just has that ring which holds it together. I think that's just adorable. In the back it has the 3 clasps, so you can adjust it to however tight or loose you want it to be, which is really nice. I think this is really pretty. I'm excited to try these out and see how they feel. The matching panty is right here. So it has the lace detailing with this on it as well, kind of like the piping. I don't know what the right terminology is, but it matches the crisscross at the front of the bra. So that's really cute. And at the back, it has this really soft material. There's no lace, so that is definitely a comfort level thing for sure, because I know that if you have lace all around, sometimes it can be super uncomfortable, but this just feels really nice. It's super silky feeling and that just is really comfortable. And the elastic on the top is super smooth, so that won't be bunching and it doesn't feel like it's going to be uncomfortable on the waist. So that is going to be really nice to try on and see how that feels. I think that's a beautiful set. I love the color and I love the lace on it. A really nice set. And the next item is this bra right here. I love the color of it. It's a nude pinky tone, peachy tone color. It is just so pretty. I love how it looks like a shell and it just kind of reminds me of that very elegant vintage vibe to it, which is super cute. The band is thinner than the red one. Again, it has the 3 levels. It's so pretty. I love this. It's so feminine and just really pretty. So the matching panty for that is this one. It has the SHEIN at the front, kind of in a triangular shape. And in the back, it is just a solid. This detailing at the top is really pretty. And it goes all the way around here and down here. It doesn't have that on the bra, but it is definitely a nice touch on the panty, which is really cute. Material is just so soft. It feels so comfy. I can't wait to try it. That is this set. The next one is, it's almost a Tiffany blue color. It's not exactly Tiffany blue. It's more on the lighter green side, kind of like a seafoam green. It's so pretty. I love this. It kind of gives me that beachy mermaid vibes to it. So nice. Like that detailing is so pretty. It has the clasp at the back. You can adjust it, and the matching panty is this. It has the seamless band at the top, which is really nice. The material is a bit different from the other ones. It doesn't feel as silky. It might be a slightly different material, but again, it's still really soft. Lace at the top here, and it is see-through. To note that. Really cute. The next item is this black bra. It has crisscross detailing at the front, which gives it kind of like a very sexy look. And then The difference here is that it has this detailing. So the lace is brought up more on the skin, which is really cute. It kind of gives it that bralette look. And the backing is simple. Again, same thing, the clasp. But this is really cute. The lace is pretty. I like how simple it is, yet it gives that very sexy look to it. And all the bras are feeling the same. They're very light. And the matching panty is this black one. This is the front of it. It has the lace at the front, which is super cute. Last but not least is this beautiful pink bra. Oh my god, it is so girly. So cute. Love the color of this. I love how on the side here it has this detailing. It's not just the plain strap, but it has this. This is so nice. Look at that detailing right here on the side. Usually the cup just comes in like that, or this is lower, but that adds a nice touch to it. I like that, and I like that as well. And the bow is just such a cute little feminine touch to it as well. And the matching panty is this. So cute. This looks comfortable too. So I'm looking forward to trying these out. So I'm gonna start putting these in the wash, and then once they're all dry, I will be filming to put this video together, so stay tuned. So I took a shower about 2 hours ago, and I have been wearing the red set, and honestly, it's so comfy. I just feel sexy in it, and it moves with my body. It's not digging into my rib cage, because I know some bras just like really dig in, but this is just sitting comfortably. You know, it feels really light, and I really like that. And honestly, it fits really well. I'm super happy with it. It's seamless. It's not showing the wire part here. It's not sticking out so much, which is great. The panties fit really well. They're comfortable. I love the material. So far, so good. I am wearing another set. It is the lighter pink, kind of nudish color one, and so I've decided to try it with a more sheer white blouse to see how that would look. Honestly, you can't really see it all that much. My room is a little dark, so you can't really see it all that well, but it is a little pink. Honestly, it's not so bad. Like if you're in darker lighting, then this is great because it acts as like a nude bra. The panties are super comfortable, although they do show like on the line here. Honestly, so comfy. And the bra is not too bad itself, although the straps I find are a little wide on me. I am wearing that kind of Tiffany blue seafoam color. It's really comfortable. I love how the panties are seamless, so that is super comfortable. And so is the bra, like it just fits really nicely. I'm wearing this black crop top and green high-waisted shorts. Really comfortable because today I'm at home. So honestly, this is so comfy. And to the side, and that's it. Just took a shower. I literally have no makeup on. My hair is wet, and I just wanted to plop on another set. So I'm wearing the black one, and it actually seeps through my black v-neck t-shirt. So if you're wondering if it shows, it definitely does if you're wearing more of an open shirt, which is actually kind of nice because I don't have a bra that shows some detailing coming out of the shirt. For the bottoms, obviously you can't see anything. I'm just wearing biker shorts right now because I'm at home and I'm comfortable. It's cut higher, and you don't really see as much panty lines as you would if it was like a full cut of underwear. It's very comfortable actually. The only thing I would say is that it kind of rides up the crotch a little bit just because the seam at the front. It is the very last day of trying on the sets of bras and panties, and I am on the pink one, and honestly it's so comfortable. I just feel like the straps are a bit too far out. It matches perfectly with the outfit that I'm wearing. It's super comfortable. You can barely see the panty lines, which is great because it kind of has that seamless edging to it, so that's great. So good. My favorite set out of all of them was this red set. I felt so good in this. Like I felt so confident, and I just loved it. You know when you wear something and you're just kind of feeling yourself? Yeah, I was feeling myself in this. Like you just give that extra boost of confidence, and this did it for me. That's so well. It just looks so flattering. Like I was very impressed with this set. Honestly, if you're gonna buy any of these and you're looking to try, please go ahead and do yourself a favor and grab this. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I'm just telling you my honest opinion. I would get this in all colors of the rainbow because it's just that flattering. This one gave me more of a vintage feel to it, and if you know me, you know that I love vintage. It kind of made me feel like I was back in time and very glamorous. I love when an item clothing makes you feel good about yourself and kind of brings you this nostalgic, very good memory or a feeling, and that's exactly what this one did for me. And I think it has to do with the color and the cut, and in a way it kind of reminded me of Great Gatsby. Not that he was wearing this per se, if you guys have seen the movie, but just kind of like the flappers, I kind of had this feeling, or even just like Art Deco, it kind of gives me that. Not saying that this is, but this is what it reminds me of. It's just so pretty, and it was super flattering, and it's almost this nude color, so you can, depending on what you're wearing, get away with wearing white on top not to see the bra through it. So if it's something thicker, yes, you can see this line if you are wearing something tighter. But for me, if I was to wear, let's say, like a skater skirt where you're not really gonna see seams, then this is probably something I would wear. Or if I was just at home. Honestly, so comfortable. The material is so smooth. I love it. This one was so comfortable. I felt like a little mermaid in it, and honestly, I really love all of the pieces, but this one just made me feel like a mermaid, which I love because I always wanted to be a mermaid. Who doesn't? Loved the bottoms because they were just so comfortable. I love the seamless kind of feel to them, and I love the detailing. I like how, you know, it's not fully laced. Sometimes if you wear lace for too long, it can get uncomfortable, especially if you're sitting for too long, but this, because the backside is solid, it's so comfortable. Like, I could barely even feel this. Like, to be honest, these things are just so great. I just love the design. It's so pretty. It's so flattering. Like, all of these pieces are super flattering. This is the black set, and what was funny was I couldn't remember on how to wear the bottoms because it has like the plain front and then like a lacy back to it, and at first I was wearing it this way and I was like, you know what, that doesn't look that bad. But then I flipped it over and I had to check the site, and the girl was wearing it this way. But I guess with this pair of panties you could actually reverse it, so you get a 2-in-1. So I did end up wearing it this way, where the plain is in the front and then the lace is in the back, and it's so cute because it has that little crisscross detailing on the back here, so it just kind of adds that extra oomph. The bra is more of like a bralette, as I had mentioned earlier. It is comfortable. It does sit higher up. I think that this one wasn't as flattering on me, and I think that's simply because I am not as busty, so it's kind of sitting flat. But I'm not saying that's bad at all. It's like just a type of preference of look that you would like. It was honestly so comfortable. I love how light these are. For me, I would wear this set more if I was home. What I noticed about the lace here is I'm not busty, right? So this cuts in closer up, so because my chest isn't like out to here and I can't really fill it that far, what I noticed when I was wearing this bra is that the lace would peek through. I was wearing a black v-neck t-shirt and I could tell that it was showing right here, which is cute. It actually added an extra element to a plain v-neck t-shirt, so it gave it just a bit of a more fun shirt. So if you wanted a little bit more fancy, then this makes it peek through. And so just to take note of that if you are looking to purchase this one. This set is so pretty, so feminine, and I kind of got a princess vibe to it just because of the bow and the color with the lace. It just all goes together very well, and then I really felt like a princess in this one. The only thing that I have to say about this is that I felt like the straps were a bit too far for me, and that's again because I'm not that busty. So if they were in a bit closer, then the cups wouldn't be kind of popping out as much. For me, I had to pull the straps further out on my shoulders in order for this to lay flat. This is really comfortable, and I still would recommend it because I'm just so in love with the color. And actually the day that I wore this, the outfit that I chose matched perfectly with it, which made me really happy because not only do I have a matching set under my clothes on top match. So that is just fabulous. These panties did kind of ride up a bit, but they were super comfortable. Love like how this is more on the seamless side of things, because normally when I'm wearing like a tight fitted skirt or jeans, I'll normally wear a thong so you don't see the seam. But for some reason with this one, you could barely see the panty line with the skirt that I was wearing. It was a bit of a thicker knit sweater kind of skirt. So just to take note of that if you are looking to purchase this, that if you're on the tinier side like myself, and it wasn't really showing, which was great because normally I just wear a thong, and sometimes some days you just don't want to wear a thong but you're wearing this dress, so you kind of in a sense almost have to, because if you're like me and you don't want to see panty lines, then you're gonna wear a thong. Not saying you absolutely have to wear a thong when you're wearing a skirt, but that's just my preference. But this one just made it so much easier that you don't really see the seam as prominently. Even from like side view, sometimes if you're wearing panties, then you'll see where it kind of like indents. But it was so nice that it did not do that, because now I know that I could wear this when I'm wearing like a thicker fitted skirt. So that's great to know, because who wants to have a wedgie from time to time? Not me. I don't always like having wedgies. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again to Shop Pearlle. I really appreciate your generosity, and thank you so much for making such awesome products that I would definitely recommend to my friends and family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!